Hello, here's a video on how to prepare peppered snails. Here are the ingredients you will need. Please note that I have cleaned the slime off the snails. Cut half of the onion into big chunks. Put the snail in a pot and pour water to cover them. Add the stock cube and the chunks of onion. Then cover and start cooking on medium heat. While that is cooking, cut the habanero pepper and the other half of the onion into small pieces. Remove the seeds from the tomatoes and cut them like this. Put the tomatoes, pepper and onions in a pot and start cooking. The aim is to steam them till they are very soft. Stir from time to time so it does not burn. After 30 minutes, the snails should be well cooked. Note that the tongue of the snails are still crunchy even when the snails are done. Remove the chunks of onion and continue to cook till all the water has dried. When the water dries from the pepper, add some vegetable oil and fry for about 5 minutes. Then add the cooked snail. Stir very well and add salt if necessary. Serve with onions and a chilled drink. Enjoy!